Hey guys, how's it going? Drew here. I'm a little bit sweaty because it's very, very hot during the summer and I'm recording and I want the audio to be as good as possible. So today we are going to basically go over how to print from your iPad photo booth using Lumabooth. This is probably one of the easiest ways to print if you want to print from an iPad. So let's just real quick go over what you're going to need. Obviously your iPad. I have it out of the shell just to make it easier to have everything right here, but obviously yours would be in your photo booth. I have a Surface Pro here. You don't have to use this. You can use any laptop really. I'll leave a link in the description to buy an affordable laptop if you don't already have one. So you're gonna have this, then you're gonna also have your printer. This is the case around the printer, but this printer right here is hands down the best printer I've ever used, and I've used quite a few. It's the DNP RX1HS. You can ask anyone in the industry that has one. Everyone's gonna always say good things about it. It's durable, it's gonna last you a long time, and the print quality on these, it's amazing. It's hands down amazing. Right here we have the Jackery Explorer 1000. This isn't needed. This is just here to power up everything. But if you do wanna buy one, link in the description as always. It'll make your life a lot easier if power is an issue. So let's just say you're out in the middle of a field or somewhere where there's no power, this thing will save your ass and it'll power up your booth. Okay, so let's talk about, real quick before I show you, how does this work? So you have your iPad, you're gonna have your event set up on Lumabooth, you're gonna have the print settings already there, right? I'm not gonna go over that too much, but how it works is you're gonna have your laptop connected to the printer via the USB cable. So on the back of it, it goes straight here to the laptop, and you have the same internet connection. So you're gonna log into the same internet from your iPad to the laptop. This will allow the software to send the photo to the laptop, and then the laptop will communicate that how many prints you want, like whatever you want printed, to the printer. So how do you do that? Well, first you're going to need to download Lumabooth Assistant. You're going to download that on the computer you're using, and you're going to want to have that open. So let me real quick hit record on the iPad. So when you download that, right, what the print server really is, it's just a way for the software to communicate to the Lumabooth Assistant, basically just telling it that, hey, there's a print that needs to be printed, and then it sends it to the printer. So I'm hitting screen record. Really quick, let's open up Lumabooth. We're going to go to launch event. Okay, so top right, you're going to go to the settings, and under setup, you see printer setup. All right, okay. So right here, you see right here in the top where it says general display print button. I'm going to unclick that. If you don't have display print button selected, there is not going to be a print button on the photo booth. So after your guests take the photos, if you don't have that button selected, there's no way to print it right away. So hit it, and you can set max copies. So let's say you want no more than 2 photos to be printed at the event. It'll only allow the guest to select 2. So we'll just go to 1, because that's just make it a little easier. All right, so now where it says select print method, you'll see it says 3 options, right? You have AirPrint, you have print via Lumabooth Assistant, and then you have DNP WPS Pro. We're gonna wanna use this one here. So as you can tell, it says in red underneath it, Lumabooth Assistant is not connected. Well, why is that? Well, because we don't have the software on the laptop open. So, I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and when I do, you should notice on the iPad it says Lumabooth is not connected. It'll tell you that it's connected. And I already have these two, the iPad and the laptop on the same internet. So let me just go over here really quick, open up Lumabooth Assistant, and then you'll see while it loads up, on the software, you guys, it's going to say no. Right when you open it, and then it switches to green. It says yes because it now recognizes that it's on the same software. And also, you guys, you'll tell that on the iPad it now says connected to Lumabooth Assistant. So we're good to go. That is telling you that the communication between the iPad and the laptop are ready. So let's go to launch event. All right, I'm going to take a photo. Turn up the volume. So it's going to take the 3 photos. And I will show you guys after. We'll hit the print button. Man, I'm so sweaty. So the whole point isn't about the photo. The photo's quality isn't important here.
Good.
We're just trying to get the print.
Share your photos.
Okay. So now you guys, you see you have email, text, and print, and then the QR code came up. So let's go to print. All right. There you go. So now, literally, you guys, 2 seconds. The printing process has started. I'll probably put a counter right here somewhere. There you go. It's that quick, you guys. Boom. And that's it. I just wanted to make the quick tutorial, you guys, on how to print using Lumabooth. The next tutorial I will do will be on Curator. Curator is our favorite iPad software, but I just wanted to make this video for the OG fans that have been using Lumabooth. So next video, Curator. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit a like, and join our Facebook group. Link in the description to everything. All right, guys, take care.